Here's a list of things we'll need today. 2 quarts of 15W40 engine oil. Air filter 140-3116. Adjustable oil filter wrench. Oil filter 57398. And an oil drip catcher. Step 1. Unlock the cover and swing it open. Remove the front cover by gently pulling it straight back toward you to release the 2 clips on each top side. Next, place an oil pan directly under the generator's drain plug. Step 2. Warm up the generator. Start the generator and let it run for about 5 minutes. This warms the oil, allowing it to drain more easily. Once warm, turn off the generator. Step 3. Loosen the drain valve. If your generator has an oil filter, use a filter wrench to rotate it counterclockwise to remove it. Unscrew the yellow cap on the oil fill port to allow air to flow in, which helps the oil drain. Allow the old oil to completely drain into the pan. This will take a few minutes. Step 4. Once the oil has fully drained, take a small amount of new oil and apply it to the rubber seal on the new filter. This helps ensure a good seal and prevents cracking. Screw on the new filter by hand until it is snug, then tighten it slightly with a wrench. Turn the knob on the oil drain plug clockwise to close it. Do not over-tighten. Once it stops turning, give it just a little more twist. Step 5. Slowly and steadily pour the new oil into the fill port. Take your time, as pouring too fast can cause an overflow. Step 6. After adding the new oil, use the dipstick to check the level. Insert it completely, then pull it out to check the level. Step 7. Replace the air filter. Remove the tabs connecting the air filter frame to its housing and pull the old filter out. Discard the old filter. Insert the new air filter, hook the frame back on, and reclip it securely.
Okay.
Step 8. Start the generator again and let it run for a few minutes to circulate the new oil. Then, turn the generator off and recheck the dipstick to ensure the oil level is correct. Add more oil if needed. Step 9. Reattach the main cover to the generator, making sure it snaps back into place. Then proceed to lock the knobs, ensuring it's secure. Close the cover over the generator and ensure the knobs are in the locked position. Note the hours on the generator for your records. You have now successfully performed an oil and air filter change.